Hello, welcome. I'm Andreas, your tech-curious web designer. In this tutorial series, we will build a real-time chat application in Discord style with a Django Ninja backend and a Next.js React frontend. We will use Django Channels for real-time communication, build an authentication system, and give users different roles and permissions to delete messages and ban users from the chat. By the end of the series, you will have a modern chat application with a Next.js frontend and a Django backend that can easily be used with any other frontend framework as well, or even a mobile application. But before we get started, a quick shout out to my own web app Fabimo. Fabimo is a web application built with Django, HTMX, Alpine.js, and Django Channels. It lets users discover digital art, connect with the community, collect artwork cards to build a deck, and play against others in a real-time card game to climb the leaderboard. Try it out yourself at fabimo.com. Let's take a quick look at what we're going to build in this series. Users can sign up and log in through the Next.js frontend. Once they're logged in, they can send messages that are instantly broadcast to everyone else in the chat using Django Channels and WebSockets. Additionally, users can also upload and share images. When we click on a user in the users list here, a pop-up opens with the profile information. From here, the admin can manage user roles and permissions. For example, I can assign Bobby the moderator role. This gives him permission to delete other users' messages and ban users from the chat. Pete, on the other hand, is just a regular user. When Pete logs in, we can immediately see that his online status changed from gray to green in real time. Pete sends a message, and also one which is inappropriate. Since Bobby is a moderator, he can delete now this message and ban Pete from the chat. Now that Pete is banned, he is no longer able to send any messages. But I, as the admin, can unban Pete at any time, because admins have all permissions by default. And now Pete can send messages again. When clicking the settings icon at the bottom, the user can update their profile information and log out. Once they log out, their online status updates in real time and changes back from green to gray. Now let us take a look at the content of the upcoming 5-part series. Part 1: Django Ninja Backend. We will start by setting up a Django app and database from scratch. Build a custom user model with avatar support, configure media file serving. Then we will create a Django Ninja REST API, and finally build the chat API endpoints. Part 2: Next.js React Frontend. Next, we will set up a modern Next.js and React project, connect the frontend to our Django API, create reusable React components, apply a Discord-style chat UI, and finish by sending messages and displaying users. Part 3: Use authentication. We will implement the login, the logout, and sign up, so users can create accounts and sign in. Then we will implement a profile updating page, including changing the avatar and editing the profile information. Finally, we will keep the UI in sync without refreshing the page, creating a modern user experience. Part 4: Real-time chat with channels. We will set up Django Channels and WebSockets for real-time communication. Then we will send and receive messages in real time without refreshing the page. We will also implement instant message deletion across all connected clients. And finally, we will show live online and offline user status as users connect and disconnect. Part 5: Roles and permissions. We will create user roles like user, moderator, and admin. Then we will manage permissions using Django groups. And finally, we will allow moderators to delete messages and ban or unban users directly from the user interface. That was a quick overview of what we're going to build in the series. I hope you will join me in building a modern API-driven real-time chat application from scratch, using Next.js and React on the front end, and Django with Django Ninja and Django Channels on the backend. If you like this content, consider to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon. This helps me to grow this channel and to reach more aspiring web developers. And if you want to support my work financially, you can subscribe to my Patreon page and get access to exclusive content. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And check out my Udemy course on how to create a TikTok clone with Django, HTMX and Alpine.js. You can find a link in the description below.